What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video, and today is going to be a new earning app video, and the earning app is called Snakzy. And with Snakzy, basically you can play your favorite games. You can also level up with this app and get higher cash outs. Higher cash outs meaning PayPal, gift cards, things like that. So with that being said, let's jump in to this new video today. So like I have said, Snakzy is an app that you can play games, discover new games, and also earn rewards. Now Snakzy is ran by Eneba, and what Eneba is it's an online gaming marketplace where you can buy games, gift cards for games like PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, things like that. Snakzy, the credits that you earn or the rewards that you earn on Snakzy can also be transferred to your Eneba account, and you can use your rewards on your Eneba's account to buy games and things like that. They also have Steam gift cards, pretty much any online game marketplace, they should have it. But with that being said, let's jump in and see what this app looks like. What is up, everybody? So we are on the Snakzy app today. I'm just going to be showing you guys around the app and also showing you guys a cash out, as you can see above. So with that being said, let's check out the homepage. So on the homepage, as you can see, top left shows you your daily streak, how many days that you've consecutively logged in. To the right of that is your experience points. And then to the right of that is your gems, which if you collect gems, it speeds up your earnings. And beside that is your balance. And so as you can see here, a lot of you trying this app might have this, but as you can see here, it says PayPal instant top up gift card. It's for $1 per PayPal. And so it gives you 4 challenges. Complete 4 challenges, you get $1 cash out. I actually got all of the challenges complete. I got 1,100 for completing it. I have not redeemed it yet. Scroll down and you see new game offers. You click that and you can find a bunch of new games that you can download and play. Here are the active games that I've played. So one thing that I do want to talk about is that so we'll go here and I'll start talking about it. But as you can see, when you go to a game, there are cashback deals. So when you make a purchase of $1.99, you get $2.10 cash back. So I didn't do that with this game, but I did it with Evany, right? So I did it with Evany, and I bought this first one, to make a purchase of $4.99 and get $7 cash back, which is it's an insanely great deal to do that. You're getting like $2 back. That's why I did it. And as you can see, right after I had purchased that, I came back to the app and I stopped my playtime shortly after I played for a little bit, and I came back to the app and it says tracking issues. We're currently experiencing tracking issues with this game. If the issue isn't resolved within 48 hours, the offer will be terminated. So as soon as I bought something on Evany and came back to get my cash out deal, it said that. And basically when it says this, it's never going to come back. Your offer is completely terminated and nothing else works on it. And yeah, so basically once you buy something, and you're screwed. And so I went to support, not to have this as a long story time while we're looking at the app, but I went to support and basically told them what happened. I also sent them screenshots of proof of me buying everything. I sent them receipts and everything, and they said, oh, well, we're sorry, it looks like it says tracking issues at the top, so we can't do anything about it. And when they instantly said that, I knew right then and there that they did not give two fucks if they were going to give me my money that was owed. Because their app, it sucks with tracking. I'm sorry, Eneba, but your app sucks with tracking. You need to get it together. There's other apps out there that's tracks games from other apps. Like, they work 10 times better than this. No lie. But the only reason why I'm making this video is because you can cash out, and it does work. But if you buy something, then you're fucked. Alright. So next we have the shop. We also have notifications, which is pointless. And we have an account. So we're going to the shop. We are looking for $2 PayPal. Let's see how this goes. I've never cashed out yet on this app, but we're doing it together. Attention is being processed. It's going to take a few minutes. Thank you for your patience. Well, I might just resume. I'm not going to sit here and record this whole thing. I'll just resume when it comes up. Alright, as soon as I said that, it came back up. Alright, redeem successful. Your gift code is ready to use. Use the code below to redeem your gift card. So basically, you copy this and you go to your browser. But if you don't know how to do that, there's a how to activate button and there's a help button. But if you press the help button, it might tell you you're shit out of luck. So I'm gonna help you and tell you what to do. So click this, it's copy to your clipboard, and you redeem. Enter the email address associated with the PayPal email. Enter your PayPal email right there. Right there. Terms and conditions, blah, 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 blah. Read all that good stuff. Double check your account, 30-day wait for any changes. It's good. Thank you. You should receive your credit and your PayPal account in a few minutes. Transaction ID, date submitted. I'll include all this proof in the video. A screenshot of the email that PayPal sends me, all that good stuff. But yeah, that's Eneba. Just cashed out $2. Real quick, let's go over what they have in the shop so that people know. They have Amazon, Google Play. They have Eneba gift cards. For those who don't know, Eneba is a online game marketplace where you can buy gift cards for PlayStation, Xbox. You can also buy games, game codes, and all that type of stuff. Yeah, PayPal, Eneba, Virtual, Visa, Venmo, Top Up, Steam gift cards, Apple, Walmart, Razer, and you can also cash out your coins to your Eneba wallet so that you can use your Eneba credits on the Eneba app or shop to buy games. But yeah, basically that's it. You got your account tab, shows you your email, your username, settings, privacy, security, help, leave feedback, and log out. It also shows you the current build of the app at the very bottom. But yeah, that's basically it. My suggestion is do not do cashback deals on any of the games. Focus on playtime rushes, 7-day challenges. Also focus on just playing the game. Don't worry about cashback deals because they will screw you, and when you report it, they will tell you good luck. Well, now that you guys have seen the app, let's go to the other camera angle. Now that everyone has seen this app, if you would like to download it, as always, the link is in the description of this video. You can download the app, start earning today. Comment below if you've used this app before, or comment below if you've used Eneba before. And as always, I thank every single one of you for tuning in to my videos, and I will see each and every one of you in the next new video. Peace.